Yo, what's up, boys? I literally have to make this video because of how shit y'all's stores are looking, bro. Like, it's actually pissing me off. Y'all are taking 3 weeks to make this like shit drop shipping store, bro. Everyone can tell this is a fucking drop shipping store. So I'm gonna show you how to make a very branded, high converting, legitimate, trustworthy website under 30 minutes. Like, this took me under 30 minutes. This entire bottom fold is generated with AI. Same with all of these really good reviews. So I'm gonna leak some sauce right here. All right, so for this video, I'm gonna just assume that you're using Shrine because it's a good base. I'll have it in the Discord. If y'all don't have Shrine, bro, it's in the Discord below if you need that. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, change this fucking Poppins, bro. I'm sick of Poppins. Like, I'm tired of it. We're going to this one, Cordestrel, bro. This is the best one. Change both. All right, obviously change your colors. Doesn't matter. All right, bro. Delete that. Delete that. If you use Kaching, you can use Kaching, but honestly, the Shrine one is pretty good. If you have the photos, it actually looks pretty good, and I use it sometimes. All right, if you want, you can keep the bundle and save, but I'm just gonna delete it and put a divider instead. Full width. Fucking delete the description. Delete these. All right, you can also delete bro, just delete all this shit. And then you're gonna want to add your logo. A small logo actually looks way more premium. You guys are making fucking huge ass logos, so do not do that. Make the header small as well. There, it looks way more minimalistic and premium. All right, bro, see, we're already almost there. For the reviews, we're actually gonna use some custom liquid, so you can just add that. And I'll put the custom liquid in our server as well. There you go, bro. Got this fire reviews thing. If you want to change the icons to men, just literally change this to men. Boom, and it changes it. Another thing I like to do is add a subtitle underneath the title. Just makes it look a little more legit and just fills the space out nicely. All right, so next thing will be the little USP icons. I would make them in Claude because Claude is the best coder. Do not use ChatGPT to code, bro. ChatGPT is fucking terrible. By the way, this is Luxury Extras. It has every ecom tool you'll need. I put a link in the description if you guys want that. There we go. I'm gonna leave this code in the Discord server as well, and you can just say customize this for my product, but just like that. All right, next, if you want, you can add these, but I feel like big banners that say like the urgency and FOMO, that's kind of like, it's kind of unprofessional. So I just like these tiny ones, and they look better on mobile. I'll leave the code in the description as well. Yeah, so basically I'll put all the custom liquids I use in a Google Doc, and y'all can literally just copy and paste this fucking fire store template. For this, like I said before, you can either use this or Kaching, it doesn't matter. You're gonna want the payment badges. Okay, top margin. Next, for the bottom fold, this is where the sauce comes in, bro. Hide all of this, add a custom liquid. For this to work best, I'd recommend putting all your research into Claude and all of your product information, and it will make a really good bottom of fold. Screenshot your current page, put that into Claude. So gen the entire bottom fold for this website and custom liquid, matching the colors, etc. Yeah, let's see what it makes. This might take a minute. All right, so this is what Claude generated me. I'll put it in the Google Doc as well, so y'all could use it, and then just say like customize it for your product. And yeah, that's fire. All right, for the reviews section, you honestly, if you're really fucking lazy, you could just leave it like this, bro, and you're already done. Simple as that, because there's also these testimonials here. But if you want a review section, I'll show you how to make that as well on Claude. You just say, I'm just gonna say 5 reviews for now, but you could go up to like 100, bro, if you wanted to. Just say that. Make me a working review section for this product. Let that cook underneath it. Custom liquid. Paste it in there. Boom. And again, bro, if you don't like anything about it, like, you could ask it to remove these little things in the middle, or you could ask it to make it look like more of a real reviews app. But still is perfect for testing, like perfectly fine. So there you have it, bro. High converting store. And again, for any section that you want, bro, just ask Claude and it can code you it in custom liquid. You can be lazy as fuck. You don't have to do anything. All the custom liquids I use, I'll put in a Google Doc. Shrine. I have Shrine in the Discord. I have I was trying in the Discord. I have more custom liquids in the Discord, bro. Yeah, we got some sauce here, bro, and we're gonna keep adding more sauce to it, so y'all better tap into that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or join the Discord and ask anyone. Super responsive there. So all right, boys, peace.